In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to remove objects from video in Premiere Pro. So I have the sample right here, so take note that this would only work in a stationary camera right here with a moving object in the foreground, as you can see right there, and it's not casting any shadows in the background. So this is where this effect would work best. So it's actually really simple. So I just need to go here into the part where the plane is entering. So this part. And then from here is that I'm going to go and duplicate this clip right there. And then going to go into the top clip and go here into effect controls, go into opacity and go for the mask. So I'm going to go and create an ellipse mask for this one. And right there, and I'm just going to make sure that I mask out the plane. So right there, mask it out. And then now I'm just going to go back in here and make sure to keyframe the mask path. And in here, go select the mask right here, and then move a couple frames right there and make sure that the mask is still on point with the plane or with the object right here. So I think about this much. And then move again and make sure that your mask is covering your object well. So I'm going to go and make this larger right there. And then move again. And then we'll be able to just track it from this one right here. So yeah, just track it until it leaves the frame. And there it is. And now that we have tracked it, let's check our mask if it carefully follows the plane. So I think that is good. So now the next thing that we'll be doing is that we'll just simply go here into the bottom clip and then just cut it right here when the plane is leaving or when the mask is actually not far away already from the starting point. So I think I'm going to go for this one right here and cut this. And all I have to do now is exchange these two parts right here at the bottom clip. And now put it here. And now it's in the same length. And now I just need to click on the top clip and make sure that the mask is inverted. As you can see, the plane is now disappearing. And when I play it, I will now have something like this, like a blank slate. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching.